Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to fix if your refrigerator is not making ice on this, and you need to replace air filter and also the water filter on this Frigidaire Gallery. And if you don't know the model number, here's the model number. You should have a sticker right here. And then that's the model number right there. So you're gonna press option on your refrigerator, and you will see water filter in red and also the air filter in red. So the water is coming out from here, but there's no ice. Okay, there are a couple ways to fix this. Sometimes if your water filter is dirty, it's not going to allow you to make the ice. So we need to remove this air filter right here, and then the water filter is on the right hand side right here. Alright, so I got the new carbon activated air filter that I did unbox last time. So and then you need to peel this paper out and then reveal the carbon filter that's inside there. Alright, so just slide this one out, and you want to put it in the same way. Put the new one in there. Going to remove this out of the way. So with this water filter, you need to push in. I got a new one right here. And then there's a sticker right here, so we're gonna put in a generic sticker. And then there are two of these caps I need to remove. And all you do is just push in. I'm gonna put a sticker on the, let me see, probably the back here again. Oh, shit. Doesn't stick that well. Make sure you push it all the way in. You see the guy right there? Uh-oh, what happened?
force. You need force.
Yeah, and you push in harder so it lock into its place. Alright. And then now we need to press option, go down to water filter, and press and hold to reset it. And now the water filter says good. We're gonna jump down to the next one, air filter, press and hold. And then now it says good. Alright, so first of all, you need to bleed out. Bleed out the air. Once you put in the new water filter in there. So we're gonna open the freezer side and remove the ice tray and check on the switch. Make sure it is on position. There's an on and off position right there. So I'll take out the ice tray. There's no ice in there. So since there are so many items right here, I'm not going to remove it. If you go under, the switch is right there. Let me just remove this thing first. It's a couple of things you need to. Sometimes the coil on the back is frozen, so you might use like a hair dryer to defrost it. Alright, it seems like this side the line is froze up. So I might have to defrost the line with the hair dryer, and you might want to check the inlet valve, water valve. Sometimes it's broken, but I don't think it's broken because the water on this one, the dispenser is working fine. So, but with this line, I believe either the water filter was dirty, would not allow the ice, or the water line that goes to the ice tray, it is froze up from the coil, so you need to defrost it or unplug it for a couple of hours. But normally you don't want to do that. It's going to mess up your refrigerator food. So I'm going to use it with the hair dryer to defrost it faster. Alright, so after I heat it up, hopefully it's gonna work. If not, I had to come back the next time to open it up all the way because I gotta see the coil. Because normally I need to use a hair dryer for at least a pretty long time to defrost it. Unless you could unplug the refrigerator and then defrost it that way. But hopefully after we change the filter, it's gonna work right away. We'll see. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification or dropping your comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.